To set up the alarm clock on OnePlus 13, first we need to open our clock app. And usually you'll be able to find it by swiping up like this, and then there's a clock. Alternatively, you can always click on the clock widget on your home screen. Now inside we can select the alarms, and you can click on the plus button to create your new alarm. You can adjust the time when it should ring, change the days where it also should ring once, work days, or a custom day, which allows you to customize a specific days. When they are blue, that means they will ring on that days. So I'm gonna select ring once, and then we can change a ringtone for our alarm. You can pick one that is preset on this device, or you can select a custom one on the bottom, which allows you to pick your own tune that you've downloaded on your phone. And there's also option to adjust the snooze. You can activate it or deactivate it as well, and change the interval when it should ring and how many times it also should ring. Then when we have everything ready, we can click on done, and our alarm will be set up right here.